All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be something I may try to do periodically. This is just going to be coming this week, and I'm going to get all these videos done for these products this week. I got a lot of stuff. I got a couple other things too that I have in. I'm just kind of behind between running this, and I do have a second channel. It's a UFO channel. I'll put a link below in the description if you guys ever want to check that out. So I'm kind of running two channels. I author children's books. I train. I got a world record I'm going to be setting in December. I'll probably do some stuff coming up on that. I'll let you guys know about that. Plus keeping this channel up, and then just life in general. But anyway, I want to let you guys know that I do have several things coming this week that I'm going to be working on. I already started some of the videos, but I want to kind of give you just a quick overview of things. So one is I've already talked about these products from this company. This is the XC-ESC. This is a 300 amp speaking controller. The reason why I haven't gotten this up and running just yet is because I had to order some special connectors. These are 8mm on it, so I got the motors that I have are all 5mm, so I had to get an adapter for that, and I do have an adapter now for this. So I'm going to get this all connected up, and I have to buy some new connectors too. I may use QS8 connectors, but we'll see. But you guys see there that this is a 3 to 8S speaking controller, and it's 300 amps. So that's going to be a good thing. I'm trying to get this to focus in just a little bit. Let me see if I can zoom this out some. There we go. A little bit better. So I'll put links in the description to every single product that I'm going to show to you guys here. So expect a video on this motor and this ESC to come this week, at least getting everything together. And I'm going to put this in my Felony Corvette that you guys have seen running. I do have another drone here, and I'll put a link in the description. I did put it in the community page. I have started filming this drone too, but this is the S20 Pro Drone. I believe this is about $180 or so for this drone, but it's a beginner drone. I did do some test flights with it and did take some video footage and stuff as well, and I'll be putting up a small, probably 5 to 8 minute review of some of my first thoughts of this, but expect that to come this week as well. From DEERC, we do have a jet. I can see some of the comments. You guys are kind of funny in the comments on the community page. But I did get this up, and I did get this flying. I do have to do a couple more video shots with it. But this is something that's actually pretty cool and pretty interesting. And like I said, there's going to be links below in the description for all of this. This is going to be the actual first jet that I've had on the channel. Though it's not a full-blown jet, but it has 2 propellers in the back, and there's a 3-channel radio and stuff with it. But I took this out for a test flight. I'm going to take it out again too as well, so you guys will see that coming up this week too. Put this to the side. I still owe you guys a full review on the S21 Charger from Spectrum. I like these chargers because they are a smart charger. If you have smart batteries, you can literally just plug it back up. You know, either the EC3 or EC5 connectors, and this one does 2 to 6S Lipos, which is good. And you can charge both Lipos at the same time. So I'll be doing some more information on this as well. And then I have another charger too. And like I said, there's going to be links in the description for all of this too. Now this is going to be another charger I have up in here. 500 watts up to 15 amps with this. This is a quad charger, charger with the 4 batteries with it. And I'll put some information below too for this. So expect a review probably on this, probably coming the weekend for this. We'll see. But anyway, that's another charger that I have there for that. And RC car wise, I still have the Quake that I'm working on, and then I also have this. Now I've been trying to get this truck for just a minute, and I finally got it in the house. Now this is brushless. I did have a brushed version of this truck, and I enjoyed it fairly well. I really did. The only reason why I don't have the truck now is because I was actually at Hobbytown in Kennesaw, Georgia, and a kid saw it and he won. And this was, oh God, 3 or 4 years ago when I had this. But they had a brush truck at that time, and now this one is brushless. So I'll put links below in the description to all this, and I can't wait to get this truck out. I like the way it looked, and I like the way it handled in its brush form. So it ought to be a lot more entertaining, a lot more fun to run this in the brushless version of this. I would open this stuff up and stuff, but I'm not going to go through all that in this video here. But this is one of the ones that I'm really excited about getting out and running, as far as everything else is concerned too. But I've been trying to get this truck for, jeez, I would say, I don't know, about 4 or 5 months, and I finally just went ahead and got one in here. So we'll be seeing this coming up this week too. This will probably be Wednesday or Thursday this week when I do this, and I'm gonna do a speed test, of course. I'm gonna jump it, and then I'm gonna take it to the skate park. And I got a little small area I can do some bashing yet. So I'm going to test that new area with this truck first. But you guys, let me know in the comments what you think about some of this stuff. Like I said, I am behind on things. I am trying to get caught up, but eventually I will get things caught up. I got a lot of products and I got a lot more other things coming in as well. But it's fun. It's entertaining. And I may start doing giveaways, you know, on some of these products and stuff too. I think some of you guys like that. So follow me on Instagram for that, because I have given away stuff before. Some companies do contact me about giveaways too. So there'll be some information in the description below to follow me on Instagram, because that's basically where I do my giveaways. Is I may put a YouTube video up and then I may go to Instagram, or I'll say go to Instagram and maybe like the company's page or something, and you'll get batteries. I've done that with Gen's Ace. I've done that with a couple of hobby shops. And I think I've done it with a couple other things. Oh, and I got one other thing to show to you guys too. The last thing is, you guys see this here? I did it, and I went ahead and got some SMC Lipos here. So I got a couple of sets. I'm gonna run these in the X01 8S conversion first. You guys can see this here, and I'll put links below in the description. You guys want to see their SRD LiPo batteries. So these are 6300 milliamp LiPos here. These are 250C. So you want to see this. I'm going to run them in that 8S X01, and then later on, maybe this week or next week, I'll put them in the Limitless ready to run and run them in there and then test the speeds with that. And then I also have another set here that I'll probably use maybe in an X-Max or Outcast 8S or something like that. But I did want to let you guys know I did go ahead and I did get some of these batteries and stuff in too for you guys to see how they perform. So I know you guys are interested in the differences in performance in batteries and stuff too, because SMC has some great batteries, and they also have some sales going. I think you can get a 3S LiPo for like 20 bucks. So I'll put some links in below in the description for all of these products so you guys can check them out ahead of time. And let me know in the comments what you guys think, or let me know what you want to see first. You probably want to see that 8S X01 before anything else. So I'll try to see if I can get that running first, but that may not be until later part of the week. I'll try to do it before Saturday comes up. But anyway, let me know what you guys want to see first this week. I'm going to try to go ahead and get that X01 running. I'm going to use one of these chargers to charge these batteries up. I'll probably use this Spectrum charger first, and then I'll come back to this Ovonic Charger a little bit later on with this 4-channel charger. And then I'll get to the planes and the aerial stuff, and then the fun stuff with the truck and stuff a little bit later on. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, put your comments down below. Stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching.